You are watching AI Andy.
You don't have to worry about product, packaging, shipping, and heavy funding. First, go to Suppliment to create private label supplements. Here, choose from various categories like vitamins, minerals, protein powder, and other supplements. You can sell these ashwagandha capsules online for $28. After paying for fees, you make a $22 profit on each sale. But first, you need a brand name and logo. For this, go to ChatGPT and ask it to act as a brand expert and suggest brand names for a health supplement brand. Next, go to Canva and use pre-built templates to create a nice logo and click download. Now go back to Suppliment, select the product and click on Customize and Sell. Now edit the product label directly using Canva. Upload your logo, change text and design if needed and click download. Then upload the label PDF and finally connect Suppliment to your Shopify store. Now to earn money with this, you can use Facebook ads. It will bring people to your online store, and if you are a fitness creator, you can also sell this to your followers. Save and follow for more videos like this.
You are watching AI Andy. Don't forget to subscribe and click the like button. Why not check out my other videos on my channel for more great content? See you on the next one. AI Andy, out.